Morning, Steve Freedy in Chicago with the morning grain comments. I hope everyone had a good 4th of July. Kind of a strange feeling today because we did not have any overnight electronic trading to give us directions on the early calls. Right now, corn and wheat's called 10 cents higher and beans 20 cents higher. Throughout the Midwest, we had record temperatures the 4th of July, and we're expecting 2 more days of that before the temperatures actually break. The weather forecast suggests across the northern third of the U.S. Midwest we could see some rain today through Saturday. There's also a line of showers from southern Iowa across to southern Michigan Saturday and Sunday that could bring a half-inch rain to those areas. For those areas and south, that's not enough rain to turn crop conditions around, but it could limit the upside in the market. We also see a break in temperatures. All next week, temperatures will be back into the 80s. We don't have a lot of rain in the forecast, but we do have cooler temperatures. So as a trader, you have to decide, do you want to pay up today for prices? And we walk in here Monday and the temperatures are cooler and the conditions have changed from this record heat. We also see a sharply higher dollar. China lowered interest rates overnight. Europe followed with an easing, and that could also offer some resistance to commodity prices with the higher dollar. So again, the next big report is July 11th when the USDA comes out with their new estimates of world and U.S. supply and demand. Tomorrow, a private consultant, Informa, will come out with their estimates of production. So again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.